This is the Still Point Minute. Gratitude for something small today. Balance lives in the little things, not just the grand. Notice something small right now. The warmth of your coffee mug, the softness of fabric against your skin, the sound of a bird outside your window. Let yourself pause and really feel that gratitude. In honoring what is simple, the scales tip back towards peace. Life is not made whole by the big moments alone, but by the 1,000 tiny ones that remind us we're alive. Today, let gratitude for something small restore your balance. This was the Still Point Minute.